हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल द डेली लर्निंग में स्वागत है। और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे टीजीटी नॉन मेडिकल टेट एग्ज़ाम के केमिस्ट्री सेक्शन के बारे में। तो इससे पहले कि शुरू करें, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको हमारी हर एक वीडियो जो है वो मिल सके। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द आयन दैट इज आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक विद CO carbon monoxide, that is, so CO is isoelectronic with mean same number of electrons like CO is. तो in CO total number of electrons are कार्बन में 6 होते हैं और ऑक्सीजन में 8, तो मीन टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं 14। और अब यहाँ पर हम जो देखें तो उसमें CN नेगेटिव जो है इसके पास C कार्बन के पास 6 और नाइट्रोजन के पास होते हैं 7 एंड 1 नेगेटिव चार्ज मीन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किया है, इट मीन टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन 14। तो CO इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक विद CN नेगेटिव। नेक्स्ट द बॉन्ड एंगल इन BF3 इज, so BF3 has regular symmetry and sp2 hybridization, so it has bond angle 120 degree. Next, among the following identify the linear molecule. Linear molecule mean having linear geometry, that is bond angle 180, so it is carbon dioxide, option D. Next one, which of following is not an organic acid? Organic acid होते हैं which are obtained from natural sources or which contain carbon as its component. So in nitric acid there is no carbon, so it is not an organic acid, while all other three are organic acids. Next question, hemoglobin which is present in our blood is a protein. Next, typical elements belong to S and P block elements are called typical elements. So group third period elements are generally known as typical elements. The reaction between alcohol and carboxylic acid is called alcohol ROH and carboxylic RCOOH. So OH from alcohol and H from carboxylic acid react together to form water, and the rest molecule formed is RCOOR, that is an ester, so it is an esterification reaction. Next one, in aqua regia HNO3 and HCl are present in the ratio, so HNO3 1 part and HCl having 3 parts in aqua regia, so option D. Next question, the mass of one Avogadro number of helium atoms. Avogadro number of helium atom mean 1 mole of helium. 1 mole of helium atom has mass 4 gram, that is option B. Phosphorus is kept in cold water, that is option A. Next, which one of the following vitamin is essential for blood coagulation? Very easy question, that is vitamin K. Next one, the process employed for the concentration of sulfide ore is froth flotation process, in which pine oil is used to form froth. Next question is regarding hardness of water. So here is permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, while bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium cause temporary hardness. Next, the 3 elements boron, silicon and germanium are, these all 3 are metalloids. Next one, a catalyst is not affected in reaction, it is neither consumed nor produced during the reaction, and it does not undergo chemical change. Next, phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and its color is in acidic and basic solution respectively. So So in acidic solution it is colorless, while in basic it gives pink color. So option D is correct. Next question, two isotonic solutions will have same कोलिगिटी प्रॉपर्टीज अगर आपने पढ़ी हो तो उसमें ये क्वेश्चन था, टू आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशंस विल हैव सेम ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर. नेक्स्ट, मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ इज बेस्ड अपॉन एटॉमिक नंबर, while मेंडली पीरियोडिक लॉ जो था वो दैट वाज बेस्ड अपॉन एटॉमिक मास. सी वाटर कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू फ्रेश वाटर, जो सी वाटर है उसको फ्रेश वाटर में चेंज किया जाता है बाय reverse osmosis. Next, which of the following among the alkali metal is most reactive? Most reactive alkali metal is cesium. Down the group reactivity increases, so cesium is most reactive among the alkali metals. Next question, which law of thermodynamics introduces the concept of entropy? Entropy is given by second law of thermodynamics, that is option D. Next, the isotopes of chlorine with mass number 35 and 37 exist in the ratio, जो इन दोनों की रेशो है वो रहती है 3:1, that is option C. Next one, again very easy question, which of the following metal form an amalgam with other metals? It is mercury, and it does not form amalgam with iron. Next, a solution react with crust Xl to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains, so when an acid, that is among the given options HCl is an acid, react with crust X, it gives carbon dioxide gas that turns lime water milky, so option B is correct. Next, butanone is a 4-carbon compound with functional group. butanone on जो fix है, that is for suggest ketonic group, that is option C, ketone. Rodenticide, rodenticides used to kill the pests, that is therefore it is a pesticide. And the inventor of atomic theory was given by John Dalton. Which of the following is estimated by the radiocarbon dating? So it is option B, age of fossils is estimated by radiocarbon dating. The next one, the hydrogen ions concentration in any solution is 10⁻⁴ molar. The concentration of hydroxyl ions mean OH negative ions. So the product of concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions is always at 273 Kelvin is 10⁻⁴. So concentration of hydroxyl ion in the above solution is 10⁻⁻10 molar, that is option C. The phenomena of radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. So this was the chemistry section. Stay connected with our channel to get the answers of other sections also. Thanks, have a nice time.